Hello and welcome to the Academy channel. In today's video, we will look at the HyperQuizLists software tool and do a complete HyperQuizLists review. This is a software that creates quizzes for you. Different kinds of quizzes to build your list. That's the main purpose of this software. And there are different kinds of, quiz types here. And they are both, interactive and attractive to people. So that being said, before we dive into the actual product, let me show you the bonuses, and you'll probably want to grab them for the main time ahead 0. You're only going to get this through me. Now, talking about the actual sales pages, this is not your typical email list building software. App generated 11,324 buyer leads in 7 days, posting lame 30 seconds quizzes, and make us over $500 per day with no text skills, no copywriting, and no traffic. Copy the exact method and smart brands and underground affiliates are using to generate tens of thousands of buyer leads every single day for free. You can see more about this product, the details, on having access to this before the actual launch, so they're still updating this. But you can basically see this in your own time. Now, talking about that, you actually need because this is a tool, right? So you're going to need a way of generating traffic to this. Okay, because the system is in place, it is going to take care of your email leads and turn those of your visitors and turn those into emails however you are going to need traffic. And that's a recent upgrade, all of these different bonuses, because I think that those bonuses are going to help you specifically with that in so many ways in the fastest possible way. So essentially when you see here inside the actual Create Quizzes section, because if you want to have a look at the dashboard, it's going to look like this. You're going to see the total leads views, the conversion rates from which countries that leads are generated, the quiz table, different stats that might be interesting for you, their quiz activity, the conversion rate, and all of that. However, if you want to create those quizzes, you want to go to this section where it says Create Quiz, and you're going to find Engagement Quizzes, Response, Surveyor, Score Type, Poll, Custom and Video Type Quizzes. And here below, you can select the quiz header image. Now, essentially what you do is you select one of these quizzes. You select an image here, and then you go to the next. And of course, you'll have to add a quiz name, and then you can start creating those. So basically you can add a question here, and you want to position this here first, and then you click on Add Question. You drag this here, and then you connect this with this question, this, and then so on. And then basically you can add a result here. Basically that's how this works. But first of all, you'll have to set some specific details within the Start section, and then the Results section. So you do that by clicking on Start, and here you add your question. Not going to do that right now. And then here you can select header image from either URL or your computer or from Pixabay. And it can be, about weight loss. Doesn't matter actually. But the thing is that you can connect this with affiliate products such as ClickBank, for example. Okay, and if that's not available, you can do that from a specific URL, and that's basically it. The end result here is that basically just a heading the image the button takes here, and it's basically the same as a start, but the end result. Now for the quiz settings here, you can add a redirection URL, and it can open within the same tab or the next tab. A delay for the pop-up to appear. You can set your autoresponder in terms of different things here. And then you basically click on Published. There is a done for you version. I'm going to be talking about that in just a moment, so bear with me just a little bit more here. You're going to be able to see the quest list of everything that I've just created. You can see the user's answers here. You can see the analytics here, the lead management. You can send emails. You can send automatic emails to your list, and then basically this is how this works. So that being said, let's talk about the prices for this so that from that offer, it's going to be $17. Now, when I check their sales page, you're probably going to find 2 versions at the bottom, but you probably want to grab the one with the commercial version. That's just my opinion. But anyhow, you can see that here, okay. Now they might update this as for now. But from what I know, this is going to cost $17. So you get the smartest, fastest, most fun way to generate 10,000 of buyer leads. Now remember, you want to have in mind that you are going to need that traffic. This is a great way of converting those people into basically leads because it's interactive and attractive to people. but the system is there. Okay. So do you want to have that in mind, and everything that I showed you is going to be included in the front? You can pause the video here if you want to have a closer look. But essentially it's kind of a viral process, so to speak. Okay, and you can add affiliate links. Okay. There's a demo video probably on the sales page, and you can even connect this with products from ClickBank. Let's say if you want to do it that way, quickly generate, you can manage their leads from within their dashboard, and simple 3-step to get started with quizzes. Pretty simple actually. You have to configure it a little bit, but it's not that complicated. And there's viral sharing tools that are within the software. And if we go to the dashboard here, their Create Quiz section, you can see different kinds of, quizzes. You can even customize it to your own specific needs. So that's about different than offer. The HyperQuizList Pro Auto number 1 is cost $37, and here you can GE 4 times for your traffic and income potential with a Pro version. Extra from the campaigns 100% approval, 100% commissions, unlimited custom domains, unlimited campaigns, unlimited leads, unlimited automation workflow, unlimited SMTP for profiles, which is really good. This one here, advanced reporting, automated daily reports and commercial writing with it. So I was wrong. I thought that the commercial rights were included in the front-end version. It's apparently in the mail to everyone one. So I recommend you get at least OTO number 1, not entirely necessary to our decision, but I usually recommend that because it has some extra features. Now HyperQuizList, the Traffic Edition OTO number 2, the price is $47. And you can turn any video, even the oldest video on the web, into your own viral social micro video. You can schedule hundreds of videos to Facebook and Instagram in one click. Click and keep generating free traffic for months, perfect for video ads, viral videos, and hundreds of other video content types. Convert one video into multiple up to 20 micro videos in one click. You can mass edit all the videos at once in one click. There's a commercial license included here as well. The HyperQuizList Shorts Edition, OTO number 3, $47. And you can create hundreds of attention-grabbing viral YouTube shorts and drive traffic to websites, blogs, and offers. Copy the fastest, easiest, and most silliest way to pull in tens of thousands of visitors every single day from YouTube. You also get their exact step-by-step training and best strategy to start driving traffic to your shorts in no time. It also comes with a commercial or with a commercial license. The HyperQuizes list huge themes for your email campaigns. OTO number 4 for $37. This is the plug-and-play version you get done for your emails. Build trust with your subscribers and buyers. You can increase your opening click rates, provide quality content to your subscribers, and you can get more sales and conversions for $37. The HyperQuizList, the Reseller Edition, the OTO number 5 cost $147. And that basically, you will have access to features of vid reviews. Okay, you get to use their sales materials for best conversions, create accounts for your clients using your reseller dashboard in one click. They're going to be handling the support of you or your clients and allow a one-time fee during the launch period. So you can see more details about this in your own term. But that's what this product is about. Don't forget, you're going to get all of these exclusive bonuses that I spend a lot of time putting together, and those are exclusive to me. You're not going to find them anywhere else. Okay, so have that in mind. Check the link below in the description. Thank you once again for watching my HyperQuizList review, and I will talk to you.